Today we're replacing the batteries on your Blink Video Doorbell, and we'll do this step by step. This is Casual's Kappa. Let's get to it. Take something flat, like a flathead, place it underneath your Blink mount. Find the two gray clasps and push up until your Blink pops out. Now we can replace our batteries. Next, take your Blink, set it upside down on a rag to not scratch the lens. Then, we'll take a flathead or your finger and pry open the back to reveal the battery compartment. To remove the batteries, they're notorious for being difficult to remove, so either use a tool, your hands, or what I like to do, give it the old 1-2. When replacing the batteries, be sure to use the correct 1.5 volt batteries. A 1.2, as the one here, will always result in your Blink showing a low battery. Install the correct batteries. With the batteries in, install the back panel with the tabs up top. Slide it in, push till it clicks. To reinstall your Blink doorbell, line the wedge with the slot in the top. Slide it on and push till it clicks. And that's it, you're done. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out and that you learned something new. I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.